Go.
Kaya. Seryoso lang doon. Sa imong gingon.
Ang injun ka dito ay my responsibility and duty and duty. Grade the manager na nagsilang ito. Take your duty and I will promise that always leave the area.
Sick.
Wide!
Tas.
Hindi kaya pa rito, sir!
Ano tawa?
Dada is pa rito. I give my duty and responsibility to you.
On the area.
Thank you, sir. Now I pledge that I securely receive your duty and responsibility to clean the second deck. No, the second floor. Yun.
Sick.
Thank you, sir. Now, I will give you the full and secure pledge as a 12-4.
Oh.
Now, you may receive the full responsibility and duty to make clean the generator and stairs to remove the dirt always. Now, Cosme Akobe, can you promise me? I Cosme Akobe, I promise to receive and accept respectfully your duty as 12-4. Now I receive your pledge. Thank you.
Ah, sick.
Salute!
Nah, dia pwede mira. So,
Order! On!
pakusuga dong.
At inject ka dito ay 4 sa duty. Listaw sa inigaw. So, Sir Ayan, Sir Najat, thank you sa mga safety nga kiatag sa mga taga-biyahe. O mga itutulong nito sa mga, hindi na mo paligtan, sir. Nagagagit na yung balas si mga. Salamat kayo. Third engineer, Sir Ayan, thank you kayo. Sir Najat, dagang salamat sa mga tutulong sa mga. Thank you, sir. Salute! Thank you, sir. Duwan! Order! On! Yeah.